meteorologist Jamie Warner.
Well, it's been a quiet afternoon and now a quiet evening across the Ozarks. Here's a peek at radar right now. Nothing going on locally. That was not the case, though, early this morning. Before sunrise, we had a quick wave of rain and thunderstorms that swept in from the north. These were severe storms across areas of northern Missouri and northeast Kansas, but the severe weather threat as those storms push south remained to our west, generally west of I-49. We did catch some much needed rainfall, though, and while the totals weren't all that impressive south of I-44, at least we got some wet weather finally for the first time in many spots since the beginning of the month. The heaviest rains were off to the west near I-49 and also near Highway 54, where some spots picked up between 1 and 2 inches of rainfall. Here locally in Springfield, just over 1/10 of an inch, but the rain was kind of spotty across town. Our own Dan Lucy was saying that he picked up 1/3 of an inch in his rain gauge, and I had about 15 1/100ths in my rain gauge at my house on the south side of town. Again, any way you cut it, though, it was nice to see the rain again for a change, because we've not seen any measurable rain up until this point this month. Even with this rain that we had today, we're still running almost 2 inches below normal for the month of June. Also, another nice side effect of the rain that we had this morning was the leftover clouds throughout the day held temperatures down. And after a streak of highs in the 90s, a 6-day streak, we only hit 86 this afternoon. And I think we could see similar impacts tomorrow. Now, right now, we're looking at showers and thunderstorms, a scattered fashion of those storms across parts of western Oklahoma into southwestern Kansas. This is an area that continues to bear watching. We've still got a lot of instability in place. There's also a cold front draped across that area, and it looks like there'll be that risk for additional overnight showers and thunderstorms across this general zone west of the state line across Kansas. If we can get some scattered showers and thunderstorms going overnight tonight across eastern Kansas, there is a chance that that activity will spill southeast across at least southwest Missouri and northwest Arkansas. That may be our best bet at getting any wet weather on Wednesday. I think once we get through, say, early to mid-afternoon, I think our rain chances are going to be diminishing from north to south as dry air works in from the north. So our best shot at rain probably through early afternoon on Wednesday. 70 for a low tonight. Looks like, again, with rain around and also probably leftover clouds into the afternoon, we're going to see temperatures held down again with highs in the middle and upper 80s. A 7 on our colorimeter. Now, the pattern gets hotter and drier later this week. The same pattern that we had this past weekend that was hot and dry is the one that we're going to find developing late this week and through this upcoming weekend. That's a ridge of high pressure higher up in the atmosphere that's going to be building overhead. And when you get these summer ridges, you get a couple of things: hot temperatures and generally dry weather. And I think that's exactly what we're going to find from Friday through Saturday, probably into Sunday. The good news is I can see this pattern breaking down early next week, and it looks like a cold front will try to slide south into the area, and some other ingredients will be in place too to generate wetter conditions starting Monday, continuing through at least Tuesday of next week. So here's our 7-day forecast. Widely scattered showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. Isolated storm threat on Thursday, generally dry, I think, Friday, Saturday, maybe isolated storms on Sunday, widely scattered storms on Monday, and then scattered storms on Tuesday of next week. And you can see the impact that that higher rain chance will have on our temperatures, with highs in the mid-90s over the weekend dropping into the 80s.
One of the girls in our newsroom was asking me for Father's Day gift ideas tonight. I'm looking at your forecast thinking maybe one of those cooling mist fans would be a good one for Sunday.
That's a nice idea.
Yeah.
Not bad, huh? Well, what's our Viewers Club number? You can get Dad a good present with
hopefully we have a winner out there. They would be an $800 winner. That's our jackpot tonight. The number tonight is 201-065.
All right, Jamie, thanks.
Well, this would be a